Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We always got content coming. Today, going to go ahead and get the side-by-side fixed. Got the new hub finally come in. So we're going to go ahead and get that all swapped out. And then we're going to go and get some snow plowed. Got to shovel some sidewalks, do a little bit of snow plow or snow blowing. And basically just clear the yard for the next snowfall because seems like there's more snow in the forecast. So let's get at it. Got it all pulled apart. There's the old hub. Not much left in there. There's the new one. So got all the wheel studs pulled out. So I'm gonna put them back in the new ones. Alright, so she's all back together. I had to improvise since I don't have a big enough cotter pin. But she's all fixed, torqued up to spec, everything's back to the way it's supposed to be. Had to grind some of the splines. Well, actually I had to grind them all because they were a little bit mushed from the old hub or whatever that kind of screwed up. But the rest of the splines were all good, so just had to fix it all up a little bit and get her so she go on, so it's not too bad now. Now it'll probably wear in a little bit and should be a problem to even get it back off. But it's back on, so we're gonna get ready to go out and plow. So I'll get the drone out and plow the driveway. Got the sidewalk patio shoveled off. Everything's all snow blown that needs to be snow blown. Everything's all plowed. It's already dark. But I'm gonna hook back up to the plow and head over to Buddy's and gonna plow his driveway. That way he doesn't have to snow blow 20 strips down the driveway. Make it easier, so we'll get all ready to go. Alright, the plow's all hooked back up. Gonna head on over. It's a couple miles down the road. Gonna be a little cold one, but we'll make her. Alright, so made it over to Buddy's house. Plowed the driveway, got her all done. And now it's basically 9:30 at night, so we're gonna edit this video, call her a night, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next one.